Magpupulutan pa, saan pa gagawin?
Parang natanong na kanina eh. I'm sure naman may personal choice na. Kurado na.
Agad-agad ang personal.
Jen, sino raw personal favorite mo?
Ha?
Sino raw personal favorite mo? Siyempre di ba sasagutin, di ba?
Personal favorite pero kasi walang tapon eh. Mahihirapan talaga kami kasi lahat sila, kaya mention ko kanina, salang-sala. Wala talagang pangit.
So ang hirap nasa inyo, ang burden nasa inyo.
Amin. But at the same time, kasi iba yung exciting tong format na to, kaya abangan ninyo. It's not the usual na nakikita natin na they're going against each other. It's going to be yung nga na-mention kanina, may house. Apat na house. So, paano gagawin yun? Abangan ninyo lahat yun kasi sobrang exciting. Kasi kailangan din nilang mag-isip. May strategy kailangan. Of course, the talent should be there. And mabilisan to yung turnover.
Pero Jet, ang kantahan naman, pagalingan talagang kumanta. But at the same time, swerte din minsan eh.
Yeah, at the end of the day kasi, it's still a singing contest. It's still a singing competition. But at the same time, kailangan mo din isipin na yung mga kasama mo, magagaling lahat.
Okay.
And then, mga kasama mo nakapag-experience na ng competition, kumbaga confident at komportable na sila sa stage na to. So, you have to be really focused. And yung mindset mo talaga, kailangan talagang tutok na tutok ka.
Pero Jed, gaano ka-importante ang looks sa singing contest?
You know what's nice about showbiz now, hindi na siya that much of a priority. Looks or image looks and image, it helps, but at the same time, minsan it's more of your aura as a person. Kahit hindi kagwapuhan or kagandahan, may ibang personality na lumalabas. Mas importante yun ngayon kesa sa talagang gwapo at maganda.
So hindi na kailangan magparitoke ng iba or whatever.
I have nothing against enhancement, but I think whatever you're comfortable with sa skin mo, yun yung importante. It's again the overall image and the overall talent na mabibigay mo, yung importante sa lahat.
Last na lang, ikaw anong hinahanap mo personally? Kasi nababago ang ang uso ngayon, di ba? Nag-iiba eh.
Alam mo ako, given na kasi yung boses eh, kasi di ba, alam na natin. I think yung sa akin, as a judge, as a jurado, yung kilabot. Yung kilabot na nagbibigay ng goosebumps.
Kakaibang feels sa'yo.
Yun yung importante sa akin.
Ay, yung picture mo nga pala na nakasanda and all that.
Padala ng fan. It's actually AI. AI generated. Pero nakakatuwa.
Na-inspire ka ba na?
Na-inspire ako. Sabi ko, kakayanin ko ito. But we'll see.
Seriously? Gusto mo rin magpa...
Oo naman. Kasi not just for aesthetic purposes, but siguro for health reasons din. Kasi hindi rin tayo bumabata. But it looks good. It looks good. Tapos parang challenge ko din sa sarili ko. If ever.
Sa ilang months?
Hindi ko alam. Siguro, let's start from, siguro mga 6 months. Let's try.
Okay. Thank you. Pabor.
For me, siguro maraming opportunities na hindi ko na, na-grab. So, I guess that's life. I guess it's part of life na may mga bagay-bagay na dumarating sa buhay mo na minsan you just let it pass and then magre-regret ka. So I always take note of it, and I always tell yung mga nami-mentor ko at natuturuan ko na always grab every opportunity that comes, because you never know kung darating pa ulit yun o hindi na, diba? So, especially when you're an artist and you're here sa Pilipinas na ang dami-daming gustong, manotice, gustong pumasok sa industriya. Whatever opportunity that's given to you, grab it, and then pag nakuha mo yung opportunity na yun, make use of it, and milk mo talaga, gawin mo lahat para mailabas mo kung anong kaya mo ibigay sa tao. Yeah. Thank you.
Hey, Gio, 1, 2, 3.
Eagle.
Hello, hello, yan.